This is the elevator at Neiman Marcus, town center at Boca Raton in Boca Raton, Florida. There's the elevator sign. An elevator sign right here. And this is a Schindler HT elevator. It's coming. Here it is. See, he's a floor lantern. Go down to 1. I'm starting on the second floor. Capacity 2,500 pounds. Here's the floor indicator. 5 operation. The certificate of operation. The Schindler logo. Here at 1. Go up to 2. Let's get a cab view. This is a really nice elevator. Here at 2. And up on 1. Here's out into the store. Here at 1. Here's out into the store. There it goes, and that's it.